everyone. This is the part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 3, yeah. I think. Hey, where did you go? Oh, cutie. Cutie, come back. Come on, come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Maybe he won't until maybe he's bored. Maybe since these are green, maybe it's going in the vent. Maybe it's finding some food or going in adventure for a while. Anyways, back here. Back to here. Okay, maybe let's name them. Yeah, so you don't need to write the comment section below name. Because, well, I don't know what to do. Yeah, call him. Yeah, don't think it's Whitey because we got another generation dog that has. He's not dead. He's well given from another because there's too many dogs. Yeah, there's a lot of generation soon. Maybe let's name him Snow because actually, another white dog. His name is Whitey. And Milky because yes are white. White is white. Yeah. Not cool. Maybe let's call him Roadie because well you see his belly, he's like he's a part of a road. Remember I know he got because he had a yeah, that's right. So I will name him Roadie and yeah, these two. Road. You just it's like the one that you watched before the robot. I forgot much. It's road. Okay. You just need to remove the S and Y to understand the word. It's road because look, because it's gray and the Wall Street is gray. And he got white. Yeah, you see the pink. Maybe this one. Oh, I think you need to write. Maybe let's call. Okay, let's make it faster. Let's call him Snowy White. And bye. This is the end. Bye.